Boom Pow Zap. Here we have the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. We've seen a deal today on Facebook for, what was it?
It was like 80 bucks off. It was like regularly $150.
Right now we have the Eufy. I'm gonna do like a comparison. This is the Eufy 30. I tried a different Eufy and it was like kind of loud. So I went back to the 30.
So the size is smaller.
Yeah, so it can go in between chairs better. One thing I don't see is...
It doesn't have a roller.
It doesn't have a roller.
Just
That's
a vacuum?
interesting. Yeah, this one has a roller.
It's got a sweeper on the side, but it doesn't have a roller.
Where's the sweeper?
Flip it
Oh,
over
these,
again.
yeah, the sweepers. Well, I guess we'll have to see how that goes. Just a plug for the charging station. It looks like these just
Extra
pop
power.
on. Oh, it's just another one.
Yeah.
It is out of place for two, just one. Not like the Eufy has one on each side.
I predicted this one's not going to work as well. Simply because it doesn't. Flip that one over again. Simply because it doesn't have the brushes.
The rolly brush, yeah.
It's got a little dog hair in it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the
dustbin, yeah.
dustbin?
It's an interesting color. It's got a little HEPA filter there. Okay, here we go. And probably wasn't supposed to take that all the way off, was I? I don't know.
Did you flip it around?
Yeah, that just comes off. Alright, well, let's get this baby charged up and see how it does.
Set it loose. And the dog hair.
It has a little thing. Wonder why you need like to have the brush and the little thing to cut the hair off when there's no wheel.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Weird.
Yeah, it's probably worth the discount.
This thing looks cheap. I can't believe they would charge $145 for it.
150.
Why is it?
I turn this back to normal.
This one's charging. I'm confused. Maybe I should read the directions.
Blinking red, and it looks like it's charging instead of beeping. Now you've made it mad.
Well, it looks like there's a switch on it. Oh, right there. Yeah, I guess it's charged. Okay, so it's turned on now. We're gonna let it
Looks like
charge.
it's blue charging instead of red charging. I don't know if that makes it. What does it say what it does when it charges? So when the blue light goes off, it'll be charged, and then you can press the button and start it working. Helps to read those manuals. Wonder how long this is recorded. It's confused.
It doesn't sound like it's.
It sounds like it's doing very much, does it?
It looks like the battery's low, but it was on the charger all night.
Looks like it keeps trying to get back to the charger.
Dude, why is it doing that? It's a recharge. I'm trying to get it to go.
It's lethargic.
Think somebody dropped this one or something?
Oh, no.
Wait, does it do anything?
It doesn't sound like it's vacuuming. It sounds like it's just going in circles.
No, it's not picking up. There's old.
There's nothing it's doing. It's just trying to get back on the charger. Let it charge.
I don't think it's even on the charger.
Yeah, it did. When it hit it, it stopped.
But it did. It charged all night. It said
I
all
know.
you're supposed to do is
We'll
charge
try
it
it
4
again later.
hours. Back on.
Of course, turn it off, turn it back on. It works with everything. What kind of pattern it's going to do.
Charger.
It looks like it's looking for something. We don't know yet.
No, let's gonna get back to work.
Looks like it's trying to bully the other one. Was it going to go around
Excuse
the entire
me.
room?
Oh no. Aw, baby.
Wow. It's not. It's really strange.
I'll get up. At least it's going now.
Something sounds bad. Apparently you got rid of the light. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it and see how well it does. It's back up under there. Now it's going to go around stuff. So after about 2 or 3 minutes, it suction turned off, and it looks like it's searching for the home base. So I'll have to recharge it and let it recharge again. They're going to both go on at the same time. They're going to be battle bots.
They're about the same
Right, these were charged at the same time. It's almost been an hour. It's been 56 minutes. This one's going slow, starting to hunt for the base. And this one, still kicking it. Of course, he doesn't have the brush to spin around, but
That might be a good thing,
I bet this one would be a really good one for hard floors and tile and very thin rugs.
though. It's doing okay on the carpet, though.
Mhm.
It's not bad.
And we'll see how much debris it has in it. But this one's going slow pokey, looking for the base now. So the guy hadn't found his home yet. It's kind of stuck underneath the table. The other one's still going. Over by the bird cage here. I'm gonna help out the Eufy. It knows where it's at when it gets close to it. It zoomed right in on it. All right, about an hour and a half it's gone into search for the base mode. This could take a little while. But that was a pretty decent run. This was assisted and it stopped about 15 feet away on the other side of a couch. Once you get them nearby, they dock pretty easy.
So we're gonna see what these what they come out. Hold a minute. Uh-oh.
I want to turn it off.
Oh wait, turn it off on the side probably. I'm trying to remember how to get this thing out of here.
The other side.
The other side?
Mhm.
That? Are we
Pretty
sure?
No, not positive. Well, there you
It's got a lot of pieces of stuff. Woo!
go. Not incredibly awful.
Not bad.
Had a good run time too.
Goofy. No, I mean it definitely has more.
Oh, it's got a big brush.
It's got a bunch of dog food. So, compared, the Eufy did pick up much more, but the little one still did a pretty good job. And it doesn't have the brush, that's probably why. So. Just pull that off.
Well, Boom Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Yeah.
That's I guess for that other one, had a pretty heck of a good run. It was a good hour and a half, and it outdid the bigger one. But the bigger one's got the brush.
It's got a bigger compartment too.
I guarantee that one will work really well for a bunch of hardwood floors or tile. So Boom Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.